Swami Yoga Vision, an engineer by profession and a yogi by passion, deeply connected to agriculture and nature. He speaks on meditation, light work, and mental wellness. His message in this mental health month: healing begins when we return to simplicity, to breath, to earth, and to self.
Talking about meditation and microgreens and normal day work, I can say a few things. Like in the case of agriculture, first in the case of agriculture, because I'm very passionate about it nowadays, I am growing these microgreens. What I found is microgreens having very, it is proved by the Association. US, United States Development of Agriculture, Department of Agriculture approved this, that these microgreens have 40 times more potent nutrients than the normal vegetables. So nutritious. You just need instead of eating the half kg, 500 grams, you just have to take the 10 grams, and this same enrichment your body will get. So of course the microgreen is superb. Nowadays it is, in the future it is really superb output. And the other things I have to let you know, in the microgreens, talking about the broccoli microgreens, it has very enriched with the sulforaphane, which is antioxidant, and it is considered to be the cancer fighting anti-inflammatory reagent. So for better clarification, you can go to the net and search. So this is the things I found, so that's why I'm very passionate about these things, which is very beneficial to the human cells. Now talking about work, before coming to the work, I have to tell that meditation. In the meditation, what we found, what I feel, that our work becomes gentle. We work gently, we talk gently, and after a long time, when I studied about the research about the gentle walk or light walk or spontaneous walk, or we call relaxed walk, I call it relaxed walk, I studied on it. I found that any person who walks 5 to 5.5 kilometers per hour, their speed, which is near about 1 to 1.5 meter per second. If anybody walk in that way, that person's mitochondrial energy generation is in such a level that there is an oxidation of fatty acids in the body at the beginning. But when we speed our walk more than that, when we increase the rate of the walk more than 5.5 kilometers per hour, in that case our body utilizes the energy from the glucose. So that's why we can see in the mitochondria, really we don't know about the why we walking gently in the meditation when it happened to us. But once we walk in the meditation, after meditation our walk becomes gentle, and then it appears to be the it's quite oxidation of the fatty acids. So it's a quite very beneficial for our health. Our ancestors did not know about this, that gentle walk can reduce our fatty acid. That this just came to nowadays. So it's whether you know or don't know, if you're following the traditional path and if you see there is something hidden mysteries over there also. So this is what I experienced. Gentle walk can burn your fat.
Thank you for
Relax.
this mental
Yes.
health month. So you suggest for healthy diet, microgreens,
Yes.
and light work and meditation.
Yes,
Right?
healthy diet, it doesn't need too much diet, just healthy diets. Better you should eat your veggies than veggies eat it.
Okay. Thank you
Thank you so much
Thank
for giving a chance to say so.
you. You're welcome.